Okay, so I wanted to do a quick review of the Renaissance Orlando Airport Hotel. We were only staying for one night because we're on our way to a cruise tomorrow. Oh, and what a shocker. This hotel was absolutely beautiful for the price. So I tend to pay a lot of attention to detail, like how clean is it? It was absolutely spotless. The ambiance was amazing. The bar, the restaurant, outside here, you can go out. There's like a little smoking area. Patio furniture, absolutely cute. And so here in the lobby, you could just relax, sit down, chill, enjoy the atmosphere. Super peaceful, quiet. It was just absolutely perfect. This is the bar area, and you can like order breakfast here in the morning, or you can hang out at the bar at night. Oh, and how cute is this waterfall right by the piano? You can totally just sit here by the water and just forget you're even here. They even have a lobby store, which is actually quite convenient. Whatever you forgot, you can grab it here. They have medicine and sunscreen. They even have wine for sale, all types of snacks. So let's go up to our floor. So we stayed on the 9th floor, which is a club level floor, which was absolutely perfect. I didn't even know what I was booking when I booked club level, but it came with the club suite, and it was actually really, really cool. You can have computer time, and they also have a TV where you can relax, watch TV. So to our room here, the room was really clean. When you first come in, there's a little closet right there. There's a microwave, coffee station, a little mini refrigerator, which is all super convenient. Bathroom was a pretty nice size. The beds were very, very comfortable. All right, let's go back downstairs now. So down this hall, we have a fitness center. One thing I'll tell you, if you're looking for cardio, this is the place to be because there are no weights, all cardio. And right outside the fitness center is the door to the pool. And we got a chance to hang out at the pool a little bit at night. There wasn't anybody here, but it was absolutely beautiful and well maintained. Now to breakfast in the morning. So their breakfast buffet actually came with the 9th floor club suite, and they had a nice variety of food actually. So yeah, that's it. I definitely would recommend staying at the Renaissance Orlando Airport Hotel. All right, now we're checking out. We're on our way to our cruise to Port Canaveral. Here we come.